Sorry.
It's
Okay.
hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi.
Learn more about how to build trustworthy relationships at work, meaningful relationships at work.
Balance my professional life and personal life.
To know my deepest fears that I am not a very extroverted person. I've always been very close to myself. It has been wonderful, definitely. It has been very reflective. What I was looking forward, I got that. And I really enjoyed a few moments.
Understanding the impact of the 4 elements on us was eye-opening. So that kind of became my favorite moment.
Both interesting and challenging. Throughout the session, I have come to realize certain uncomfortable truths about myself.
Can't explain. I have no word to explain this.
Acknowledging my priorities in my life right now. So when I look around, everybody has certain priorities and similar priorities, and I was kind of accusing myself for not having the exact same priorities. So it was weird, but I just the realization that I was being foolish and acknowledging what my priorities are right now, it's transformational.
The change in my thought process that nothing can be done because I have these limitations. What this program has done for me is enabled me to see that there are tools and actionable steps that I can take to overcome these challenges.